So we are solving question from GATE 2019 electrical engineering branch. So this resistance is 50 ohm, this is 200 volt, this is 40 ohm, this is 160 volt, this is 25 ohm, this is 100 volt, this is 20 ohm, 80 volt, this is 20 ohm. And we have to find the value of this current I. So let this voltage be Vx. Let the voltage at this node be Vx. So this is short, so this voltage will also be Vx, this voltage will also be Vx, and this voltage will also be Vx because this is all shorted. So this is also Vx, this is also Vx, this is also Vx. Let current flowing through this 20 ohm resistor be I1. Let this through this 25 ohm resistor be I2. Through this 40 ohm resistor be I3, and through this 50 ohm resistor be I4. So these currents I1 and I2 are all outgoing currents from this branch, and this is also the outgoing current. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I are equal to 0, because these are also the outgoing currents and this is also the outgoing current. So value of I1 will be, so this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive, this is negative. So I1 will be Vx plus 80 upon 20. I2 will be Vx plus 100 upon 25. I3 will be Vx minus 160 upon 40. I4 will be Vx minus 200 upon 50. And I will be Vx upon 20. And this is equal to 0. So we can solve it by taking LCM as 200. So this will be 10 Vx plus 800 plus 8 Vx plus 200 plus 5 Vx minus 800 plus 4 Vx minus 800 plus 10 Vx, and this is equal to 0. So if we solve it, this is 800. So this 800 and this 800 will cancel this 800 and this 800. So it will be equal to 10 Vx, 18 Vx, 23 Vx, 27 Vx, 37 Vx equal to 0. 37 Vx is equal to 0, so Vx value is 0. So the value of voltage Vx is 0. So the value of current I is given by Vx upon 20. Because this was 10 Vx plus 800 plus 8 Vx plus 800 plus 5 Vx minus 800 plus 4 Vx minus 800 plus 10 Vx. So upon 200 is equal to 0. So 37 Vx equal to 0 or Vx equal to 0. So value of current I is equal to Vx upon 20. So this will be equal to 0 upon 20. So the answer is 0 ampere. So the value of this current I is 0 ampere. So we can easily solve this question also. Just assume this voltage as Vx. So this voltage will also be Vx because this is shorted. There is no resistance in between. So this voltage will also be Vx because there is no voltage in between. There is no resistance is between. And this voltage will also be Vx. So all are shorted paths. So voltage of all will be Vx only. And this current is Vx upon 20. So in this way we can solve this question. So please like and share the video, and I have solved many other GATE questions as well. So you can watch the playlist. I will give the playlist link in the description box. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Also, if you have any feedback, then please leave your feedback in the comment box. Your feedback is most welcome. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.